on an earthen pot or eating on a banana leaf. Some of the authentic recipes, our traditional style of eating, we should do it once in a while, and especially during the festivals, try and eat on a banana leaf. Even some of the recipes that you can eat with the banana, and these recipes are excellent. And today I'm going to make Moong Dal Puttu. Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sasriyakal. Welcome back to another session with your vahchef at vareva.com. And today we're going to make a recipe using Moong Dal. Simple, humble Moong Dal, we use it for khichdi and lot of other purposes. And the same Moong Dal, all you need to do is soak in the water for just 2-3 hours and then blend it, and then we're going to make it a wonderful puttu. Put it in a blender, make this into a kind of coarse paste. The batter is all ready, and look at this nice paste. Because I'm going to use this batter for savory and sweet, I'm not going to add salt now. There is a technique which I'm going to show. So here, you can use this batter and make like idlis and then make into powder and then make it. But what I'm doing is, I'm taking a banana leaf and I'm going to pour this batter in banana leaf. In this, pour the batter. See, what is the belief is, in the banana leaf, lot of cooking is done on banana leaf. We do wrap fish, meats, and lot of vegetarian cooking also. But a lot of people don't know there is a absolutely nice aroma that comes from the banana leaf. Put this thing, and then with another banana leaf, just put the lid on. I'm going to let it steam for 10 minutes. After steaming for 10 minutes, look at this. The entire thing comes out like a cake. We're going to let it slightly cool down, break it down into small pieces. Grating is what I found to give the best results. Very simply, I've used the grating method, very easy to do, and also it will look like nice cheese. Now we're going to go to the pan, we're going to make the sweet as well as the savory Moong Dal Puttu. This is steamed, but it will get slightly dry. So what we do is, we're going to take some water and add a little bit salt, not too much. Mix this and keep this ready. You want to sprinkle this little water onto the puttu so it's not dry, and it is nice, juicy, yet perfect for the bite. Here I've got a pan. First I'm going to make the sweet kind. So for this, add ghee. In this, we're going to add cashew nut, the cardamom, crush it and add. You want the cashew nut to be slightly colored. In this, we're going to add some raisins also. And when the raisins, puff, that means this is perfectly cooked. We're going to add the jaggery. This jaggery, in the powder form, I'm adding a little bit of this salt water. This will become into a nice syrup. Usually people use the jaggery, but I'm using this organic thing. Bring this to a boil and switch off the flame. We're going to take the grated puttu. Now that the hot syrup is all ready, pour it on the puttu, mix it carefully. Sweet puttu, for this, I've got some grated coconut also. This one also we're going to mix. And also, there is one more thing. I'm going to add a little bit of honey for this, and this will taste absolutely fantastic. There is a traditional ways of doing it. We're going to add this crushed cardamom once again. One more time, we just mix all of this, and your sweet puttu is ready. Very easy to serve. I'm just going to top it off with some more coconut. Left some kishmish and cashew nuts. You have this perfect honey jaggery Moong Dal Puttu. You can have this for breakfast, evening snack, anything. And even for the festivals, you can make this as a prasad and serve, and super. We have some more of this moong left, so we're going to convert this into savory. So you can use the same method as you make upma, but this is a little bit dry. How are we going to make it? By sprinkling again salt water. So one thing what you can do is, just take this, beforehand you can sprinkle some salt water so that this is not too dry, Some of the salt also this will absorb, and we're going to make this our savory kind. So we're going to add some more salt later. This is perfect. Here in the pan, I'm using coconut oil. If you want to use any oil you want, you can do it. We want to make sure that the oil is hot. In this, we're going to add some red chili and add some cumin seeds. I like the crunchiness, so I'm going to add some urad dal, add some chana dal. You just want the chana dal and the urad dal to be nicely colored. We're going to add peanuts. On a slow flame, cook them even the peanuts cracks open in the heat. That's when the peanuts get the nice taste. If you want, you can also add cashew or whatever you want. Once the peanuts are also slightly roasted and you get the nice color, that's when, be generous with curry leaf, finely chopped ginger, some chopped green chili, some hing, and also you can add some finely chopped onion. To this, we're going to add the salt. Last, we're going to add some chopped coriander. You can either add this to this or this to this. It's up to you. Add on top of it, mix this. This is going to be your perfect savory, especially for the vegetarians because it's got a decent amount of protein. Top it off with some more chopped coriander. So dear friends, we got the sweet and the savory kind. Let's go ahead and eat it. Since the man is created, food is the most important thing. And they have been experimenting with a lot of foods. The banana fruit is one of the savior for the mankind. Banana leaf is also used in a lot of cooking. And look at this beautiful puttu of moong dal. We can make the savory kind and also sweet kind. I have to eat it in style. So first, I'm going to eat the savory one. Wow. The nice bite of the onion, the crunchiness of the urad dal and the peanut. The savory one is excellent, but the sweet puttu, eat this along with the banana. We eat curd rice with banana and so on. But first, let me enjoy this. Sweet. With the banana, what you do is take a piece of banana along with this, just crush it in. What should I say? Dear friends, some of the foods are just amazing. And this is another one. Make it at home. Make them eat the way I am eating. And your kids, your family members will go, they'll crazily fall in love with you and they will keep saying, Vareva. With every bite, it is godly. This is a God's food.